look at how thick it is. In our footwear, go see our lock. So we'll be adding our. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, it's OGOM'S series here again. I noticed I didn't do an intro for this particular video, and here it is. Today I'll be showing you how to make Isiewu, goat's head. Some people don't know that there is a difference between Isiewu and nkwobi. Isiewu is made from goat's head, while nkwobi is made from cow leg. They are two different things. Isiewu has bone, a lot of bone, while nkwobi has a lot of flesh, because it's kind of like omo and the rest of them. But today I'll be showing you how to make Isiewu. So if you would love to know more, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy this yummy Isiewu for me. So let's do this. Guys, so here are the goat head that I got to make the Isiewu. Okay, so first of all, you buy your goat head. Okay, so this is our goat head. I'll be opening them and I will show you definitely. So this is 7 heads of goat head to be delivered tomorrow. I told the meat guy that I needed the big ones, so these are the big goat heads. Yes, so I will need to bring them out one after the other and I will show. This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7 goat heads. So I'll open them and I will show you. This is the whole of our 7 heads of Isiewu. 7 heads of goats, or rather 7 goat heads. Because let me speak it well. So this is 7 goat heads, and we also have the brain here. This is 1 brain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 brain, and this is 7 goat head. So right now I'll be washing all this, and then I will definitely show you. Remember that if you want to wash your meat, you can pour enough salt on it, rub it, massage it before you can start washing. So we are going to do that right now. Yes. So yes, turned this meat like upside down like so many times so that the water will go round. Here is it. Before I will start doing the main process. So still in the process of the meat, I have added another water, okay? And I'll be adding more salt to this while I do the final washing. So right now, you have to pick up the meat piece by piece, so that your customer will not eat nyama nyama, especially this ear side. You have to remove all these dark substance. All these dark stuff that you're seeing here, remove them all. Okay, look at another ear. The ones that are too dark that you can't remove, you can take a knife and cut it out. Okay, because some people will see it and feel as if you did not wash the meat. Why it was this is actually the place that it was roasted. Yes, where it was roasted, that was what made it this dark. So if you feel that you can't remove them, please cut it off so that they won't feel that you did not wash the meat. I'm done washing the meat. Okay, and it's time to wash the brain. So this is what a goat's brain looks like. The cow brain is bigger than the goat, so I'll be bringing this out. I will wash it. I will wash the nylon, then put the brain back inside the nylon, because I'm not going to be cooking it out. If not, it's going to scatter. So I'll be cooking it back in this nylon, but I need to wash this, wash the nylon and put it back, and I will definitely show you. Our meat, I forgot I was doing a video and added 1 Maggi. Okay, so here is our Isiewu. Okay, this is 1 pot and this is another pot. So this is 7 heads of Isiewu. So I'll be spicing them right now, and Isiewu doesn't need that much serere. You just need your Maggi and your salt. Okay, so I'll be spicing this right now. This is actually so much, so I'll be adding enough salt, and I'll be adding Maggi cubes. I'm actually using Royco because that's the Maggi I got from my contribution. So I won't throw it away. I'll definitely use it to see how it is. So you need to spice this Isiewu very well so that the spices will enter inside. Whoever that is sucking the meat will be sucking enough spice, like enough spice. I didn't say you should go and add more than is required, because don't go and add more than is required. But they want, when they are eating that bone, they are breaking the bone, they are crushing the bone, it needs to be well seasoned. So that is what I'll be doing here, and that is what I'll be doing here too, and I will definitely show you. So this is let me show you. So this is our brain. It's actually 7 nylon here. This is how I'll be adding it inside here. When I have finished boiling, or the meat is about to be done, I will add this for it to cook. So I'll be setting this aside right now, and let me be done with the spicing. Ingredients that we'll be using to make our Isiewu. Right here we have crayfish. We have crayfish, we have nut cubes, we have ehuru, but some people call it English nutmeg, Igbo nutmeg, whichever one. So this is red oil, and this is the mortar that we are going to use and get it done. So first of all, I'll be roasting this ehuru, because roasting it gives it a different taste altogether. So I'll be roasting this. Some people use their frying pan to roast, but me, I will just be dropping it in my gas on my light, and it will definitely catch. Okay, that is what I'm going to do. The woman that I got this from, I think she actually roasted the back a little bit and then was able to remove the back, because this doesn't have back. There are 2 types of ehuru. There is a one that has the back on it. You roast, you break a little to remove the back, but this one actually doesn't have a back again. So they have roasted it a little bit and removed the back, but I will still roast mine to give it a different taste. So that is what I'll be doing. So can you see what is going on? Yes. So I won't allow you to get dark so much. I will just roast it a little. So I'll be offing the light right now because it has already got into the stage that I want. So I will just be offing the light. Some people roast on their frying pan, they will just be turning it from time to time, but this is mine. So you just off the light. Yes. So first of all, we'll be going in with our ehuru. You'll be pounding this, sharing the Isiewu because it's 7 heads. So guys, we'll be going in with our brain. Okay, some people usually do ncha to make their Isiewu, but I'm using this as my ncha. Okay, so I have already pounded our ehuru, and I'll be adding in the brain. Okay, so you need to pound this. So this is how it's looking. So right now I'm going to pour in our red oil. Yes, you pour, you turn. Manu Igbo, Manu si East Webia. Turn it very well. A little bit of water to mix it before I start adding our ingredients. Normally I was supposed to add the ingredients first, but I just want to lessen the thickness before I can continue. Yes. So this is our crayfish. So I'll be adding in crayfish. I'll be adding in nut cubes. My God, Maggi is now becoming very strong these days. So remember, you've already spiced your meat. So if it's not spiced enough, you can add enough seasoning. But if it is spiced enough, you can just lessen your other seasoning that you are using to make the ncha. So I'll be adding salt, and I'll be adding in our pepper. Yes. So I'll be mixing this up. We'll be adding in water. Okay. In the water from your Isiewu. I think my flash just went down, so please. Yes, look at how thick it is. So we'll be adding our Isiewu right now. Okay. So I have finished adding our Isiewu. So I'll be turning this right now, and I will definitely show you when I'm done. Okay. Baka, they also call it OGBA. So I'll be adding in. I remain for the next batch. So I will turn all these things and I will show you. This Isiewu is done right now, but I'll be adding it into that pot you're seeing. But take a good look at this Isiewu, fresh and lush. Take a good look. So I'll be adding this into the pot so that I can warm it when I'm about dishing it out. Here is my second batch. Yes, my second batch is done and dusted. So I'll be adding it to this ones already in the pot, and then I will warm everything. And here is our Isiewu, okay? I'm warming it right now for it to still be hot while I deliver it. So this is our Isiewu all done and dusted. So I will sprinkle some onions inside and turn it before I will still sprinkle some onions to garnish. This adds extra flavor to it, and I will also add a little bit of otaze. This is not ozeza, this is otaze. So I will add a little and turn before I can sprinkle. It gives it an extra taste. So that is it. I will turn this right now and I'll be dishing it out immediately. Yeah. Here is our Isiewu, okay? I'll be sprinkling some otaze, okay? Sprinkle, 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 little star. You sprinkle. After sprinkling, you can add this for decoration, okay? Now you can still sprinkle some more otaze, because some people like the otaze in it so much. So this is our Isiewu, our one and only Isiewu. Isiewu na so poto poto. So here is our final touch of our Isiewu. Look at now. Take a good look. Take a good look. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. We are fresh and lush. Fresh and lush. Oh, na so kwa poto poto no fe. Nekuya ka na apple. Yes. So here is our Isiewu. So see also, OGOM'S kitchen is ready to be sent out. I'm waiting for the Uber that will carry it. So this is how our meals are usually delivered. Okay? Thank you so much for watching.